Taste great from last experience and hope I never need to use it. Smiley face. Smiley face. Inspected the contents of this bucket. Everything listed on the label was in the bucket and all the mylar bags were properly sealed and undamaged. The square lid has a gasket for a tight seal. This food bucket is worth buying. The time to start buying emergency supplies is now. This is a good product at a good price, easy to move if necessary and a shelf life of up to 25 years. The ones I received were manufactured in September of 2019, so the stock is fresh. Just waiting for an emergency. Haven't eaten anything yet, but I like the compactness of so many meals in one container in case we have an emergency if we need to grab and get out. I was nervous about buying this for our emergency supplies kit due to reviews about packages arriving with rips and bad expiration dates. But when I opened mine for inspection, everything was as advertised. No rips and expiration date is 20 years out. Haven't eaten the food, but if you're in an emergency situation that requires using this bucket, I figure you can't be too picky. Does require water, so I bought a bunch of Daytrex emergency water pouches, Coghlan's emergency stove, and the Odoland 22 PC's camping cookware mess kit. Did a lot of price shopping, and this seems to be the most cost-effective way to go about emergency food and water for a family of 4. The container is sealed so tight I hope I can get it open during an emergency. Lol. But on a more serious note, this product has an incredibly tight seal, so I wouldn't doubt the sustainability of this food product. I haven't tasted it yet and hope I don't have to, but if I do, I know I will be glad that I chose a company that took the extra effort to seal it properly. Great product and service, no complaints. Hard to rate emergency food since I am hoping not to use it. Nice container though. Click link in description for more reviews.